I'm curious with the DA and working hand in hand with the DA, what it might sound obvious, but I want to ask it like what are they after when it comes to what they're asking of you?
Yeah. So we don't do so much, of course, like the tactical and the on the ground stuff, but what we are doing is kind of like that criminal intelligence. So it's like the groups and why these groups are fighting back and forth and like the history between, group A versus group B and why now group C is involved. So we're trying to bring all of that to the attorneys who maybe would not have known and who maybe would have just thought, this person was just the run of the mill offender and here they are in court and then I'm going to pass their file on. But we want to really just let them know like, hey, this person actually, even though maybe this is their first arrest and their first time coming through the system, there's actually all this other information on them. And actually they're, family members with so and so who's in a war with whoever else. And so we are trying to like really beef up those people and separate them so that things are done more intelligently. Smart prosecution, it's focused and more resources are given to those individuals who deserve or need more resources given to them.